as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a video on basically teaching you how to read crochet patterns. Now, it's really pretty simple. Once you see like the actual pattern, it looks like it's a lot going on there, but it's really easy. Once I break it down, you'll understand. So before we get started with the video, definitely want to go subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when I post all of my videos. So the first thing I want to say about like the patterns, where you can find them at. You can find crochet patterns anywhere from Pinterest, Google has them. You can get a book from like Michael's or Joe Mars, or even Amazon sells book patterns. You can also get patterns from like magazines, blogs, and different things like that. So patterns are everywhere, literally. You can get them from from all of those places that I just mentioned. So basically how to read like a pattern. So when you see patterns, you'll see like abbreviations of words, and those abbreviations are just like different stitches and different words that you use for like crochet lingo, basically. So I just wanted to break down like the different abbreviations that we have. Slip stitch is SLST. CH is for a chain. Single crochet is labeled SC. HDC is a half double crochet. DC stands for a double crochet. I have my notes, that's why I'm looking down. TR is for triple crochet. YO is yarn over. LPS stands for loops. INC is increase. DEC is decrease. SK stands for skip. REP stands for repeat. BEG stands for beginning. CONT stands for continue. TOG is together. FP stands for front post. BP stands for back post. And RND stands for round. And I'm pretty sure I'm probably missing a few, but I just, these are the ones that I can think of on top of my head right now. But yeah, those are just like little abbreviations for crochet terms that you use. And if you want to know like how to do these stitches, I do have videos for beginners on how to do like a double crochet or a chain, or all of these little stitches that's on here. I have a video for that, so go check it out after this video. But yeah, that's the abbreviations that I know of. I'm pretty sure it's more. I can't think of them right now on top. So another thing that you want to look for on crochet patterns are like parentheses, brackets, and different like asterisk. That's a sign that you need to repeat. Like maybe like the previous round, or it'll let you know like repeat row 5 to 7 or like that, So the brackets, the parentheses, and the asterisks are a repeating symbol. So another thing that you'll see on like the crochet pattern is like it'll tell you to crochet maybe like a single crochet in the back loop only, or in the front loop only, and that just basically means that you're not putting your hook in the full stitch like you'll usually do. You'll just either put it in the front loop or you'll put it in the back loop. And here's an example of what I'm talking about.
Loop, you got to put your hook under just the front loop of the next available horizontal V, and you can tell that it's fully available because there's no strands of yarn pulling at this front loop. So you want to put it in this hole here. Do a single crochet stitch like normal, And I'm gonna do
this kind of creates like a ribbed kind of stitch where the stitches kind of overlap each other, usually because when you're doing like a regular one, you're putting it in the front and the back. So I want to talk about also like the structure of, I'm all like in the camera like this. I also want to talk about the structure of you know, the crochet pattern. So basically, like when you first see the structure, it'll give you like the skill level of the pattern, whether it be like beginner, intermediate, you know, what's it called, beginner, intermediate, and I guess professional. No, I don't know the word. I'm tired right now, y'all, so I don't know the word, but y'all get what I'm saying. Basically, it'll let you know the skill level of what the pattern is. It'll also like show you the materials of what you need, the hook size. It'll tell you like what yarn to use, what yarn size to use. It'll also tell you like the tapestry needle. It'll tell you need like whatever you need, measuring tape, whatever you need for that project, it'll be listed on the crochet pattern. So then there's the actual pattern. The actual pattern definitely shows a lot of the abbreviations that I just showed you. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Like as long as you know those abbreviations and you know like the repeats and stuff like that, you're good. You be cool with completing the pattern. And the pattern will also give you examples. Okay, so the pattern will also give you like a symbol chart. Sometimes they have symbol charts where basically it's like the same thing as the pattern, but it'll give you in a visual sense, because some people are visual learners and they need to know what it looks like in order to do it. But then some people can read it and then they'll just get it right then and there. But like me, I'm a visual learner. I have to see it to actually like, you know, see what it's supposed to look like and to know that I'm doing it right. So they'll give you like little, you know, a symbol chart it's called. Sometimes they'll have like different letters, you know, on the crochet pattern. And the letters just represent, like say it says like, it'll have like A or B, start with A color or start with B shape or whatever the case may be. Those are, they symbolize the yarn color and the yarn size. So if you're doing a project that has different colors and you know, A, B, C, the letters will definitely differentiate the colors from each other. So A might be red, B might be blue, you know, C might be green or whatever. But yeah, that's only if the pattern recommends, not recommends, what's the word I'm using? It's only if the pattern calls for you to change the yarn color. But that's pretty much it. That's all I can really think of right now. I'm super tired and I wanted to do this video for y'all because I did get a question on how to read crochet patterns. So I just wanted to do this video for y'all. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post all of my videos. If you like this video, comment and let me know that you like this video, okay? I'm about to go to sleep. I'm tired. It is now, what time is it? 1:49 a.m. in the morning. So I'm kind of tired. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. I would like to get to know you.